Is the Liketonline Cooling Ace really the revolutionary summer gadget it claims to be, or just another clever marketing trick designed to cash in on the heat? With bold promises of rapid, room-wide cooling in just seconds, ultra-quiet operation, and massive savings on energy bills, Liketonline.com presents the Cooling Ace as a must-have device for beating the summer heat. But when we looked beyond the flashy ads and limited-time offers, the reality seemed far less impressive. First off, there's no traceable company or brand name behind Liketonline no About Us page. No customer support details, no physical address, nothing that builds real trust. The product claims to cool instantly, but there's zero scientific explanation or technical breakdown to back up how it supposedly works. On top of that, Liketonline shows over 7,000 glowing 5-star reviews. Yet many of the review photos are clearly lifted from unrelated websites, and the text looks copied and generic. Even more odd, although the Cooling Ace appears on Amazon, there are no verified buyer reviews or detailed feedback, which is unusual for any truly popular product. There's also no presence on reliable review platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or YouTube from real users. This lack of transparency, combined with exaggerated claims and recycled content, makes the Cooling Ace feel more like a too-good-to-be-true offer rather than a dependable solution. While we can't say it's a definite scam, there are just too many red flags to ignore and not enough real-world proof to back up its big promises.